Whoopie cock, spin that shit.
Yeah. Millionaires. That's right.
Friday night, it's time to party.
Drop it down and get real naughty.
Girls talk shit, we don't care. We'll take off our underwear.
Drinking cocktails,
Filled with lime.
all these guys know she's a dime.
I just wink and blow a kiss while other girls just bitch and diss. Come get fucked up.
Give me my alcohol.
Get fucked up. ALCOHOL. Fucked up.
Give me my alcohol.
Get fucked up. ALCOHOL. This bitch is trying to take a shot. She can't down one. What else she got?
Take her vodka, even whiskey.
Damn that shit, don't be a
Pussy.
Who needs Pepsi, juice, or Sprite? If you do, you're weak.
That's right.
I down my shots and gulp my beer.
Till every drop disappears.
Come get fucked up.
Give me my